Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to sing about the incubating and itching eggs. What is meant by incubating and itching eggs? What is meaning by incubators and itching of eggs? You have all this type of questions you can clarify in this video because I am going to tell this about all answers of your questions. Okay, so I don't like to waste your precious time. Let's move on to our video. You have seen a hen's egg. It will not further develop into a chick. We try to eat as well as directly. But how to develop a egg into a chick? Here we have. And this is breeders and maturity. This is collecting and storing of fertility of egg. Fertile egg must be collected carefully and stored properly until they are incubated. Keeping the egg at proper store temperature keeps the embryo from starting and stopping the development with increasing embryo motility. Collecting eggs are frequently and stored them properly delays embryo development until you are ready to incubate. Egg storage reminder: store less than 10 days. Maintain temperature between the 55 to 65 and humidity. This is the main properties of development, guys. We must care of humidity of 75%. We need more humidity, guys, to each egg. Turn on the store more than handle eggs with care. And here we go. Egg quality and embryo level are influenced by the hen and scale. Age, health, nutrition, ratio, genetic stress. These are the things the hens will do for its egg. You know how will we clean the egg and chick? Here we have for this question. Do not incubate eggs that are cracked. Okay. When the eggs are cracked, do not put into incubator because cracked eggs are completely waste, guys. There will be no possible of embryo. Mishap and solid or unusual small or large. This rarely had another possibility. Contaminated the good. Do not wash. We should not wash the egg or from the cloth because this might be a very danger for the egg and embryo, because it can also spread bacteria from one dirty egg to another dirty egg. Yes, this will all from disease, etc. And this is position and turning egg during the storage. If you plan to store egg for less than 10 days before incubating, place them flat with a large egg up. You want to flat, you have to keep the egg like this, guys, not like this. You have to keep the egg like this. They have telling you like that. You do not need to turn the eggs if they will be incubated within a week. Yeah, we should not turn the eggs before 1 week of incubating. Being that you should cover the egg with loose material to keep them clean. Okay. If you plan to store egg for more than 10 days, till from slide to slide over 90 degree, yeah, we have to rotate it from 90 degree once or twice a day, daily. You can do this by placing a 6-inch block under one end of flat. Switch to the end of a flat each day until incubating. Yeah. And this is storage time. You can read it, guys. This is temperature and humidity for the egg. So yes guys, egg. We have to store a egg between the temperature of this 55 to 65 Fahrenheit. If fertile egg reach temperature above 72 Fahrenheit, embryo will be become development abnormal, weakened. Yeah, this is warning for all of them. If the if the embryo reach above 72 Fahrenheit, embryo will be stop its development. Embryo stored below the 46 Fahrenheit also have high embryo motility. And this is low temperature and this is high temperature. Keep it guys, very important. Fertile egg must be stored. Humidity guys, I am trolling again and again. We should need 70 to 80 humidity. Still here incubators can give inadequate humidity and temperature readings. The day eggs are set. And this is incubation condition and itching condition. What is incubation condition? Incubating condition means the day which the bird or hen put its egg is called incubating condition. The day which egg will start to itching means before opening the egg from 2 or 3 days is called itching condition. Here we have all details of the egg. You have cocktail also guys, cocktail, chicken, henry, dove, duck, finch, etc. Many of them. You can see it guys. For example, I'm holding, let's say chicken is 21 days to open the egg, to come out the small chick. It will be in 21 days and temperature 99.5, humidity is 58. Okay, and we have to transfer the egg to a lower temperature for 98.5, and humidity want to be increased guys. In the itching condition we should increase its humidity guys, because it can easily breathe out. You can see even lovebirds also guys, it will be take about 22 to 25 days to itch a egg. Macaw, parrot, pigeon, swan, ostrich. You know guys, ostrich is the biggest egg guys. It will need 42 days to itch a egg. Yeah, and these are the normal usual notes. Copy down guys. I have told a lot of clarification for you. This all noted guys. This for your information, just for your information guys. That's all. And this is the possible causes of the death of the embryo. You can read it out. See guys, I'm told you. 6 dead after prepping. Humidity is low, temperature is too high, humidity is too high, temperature is low. You have to maintain a perfect temperature guys. Yes, it's a exposure, weak of chicks, gasping of chicks. You have a lot of possible cases of the losing of the eggs and chicks. Yeah guys. Yeah, we had completed already. I think this video might be very useful guys for your lovebirds or for your hens, etc. Okay, And this very much useful to you, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share guys. Bye guys.